well, I guess I'm not going to be in a wheelchair very soon. I might be running behind one now. No, that's my big goal, is to get on my bike and ride bikes with my grandchildren. My name is Carol Lee. I had been seeing chiropractors and ortho doctors for many, many years. I had an accident over 30 years ago in my neck, and it just got worse degeneratively. And so I was trying to find something else, something better than what I've been using. Well, it's not a new procedure anymore. The PRP is just amazing. I've never had relief before in my life. It's changed my life. You think when you get older, you're just going to get slower and you hurt more, and that's natural, but it isn't. It doesn't have to be, and that's what Dr. Baumgartner's trying to teach people.